We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2017 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special. This beautiful superior blue color, it's really nice. We have the leather covers on top of the locking saddlebags. The luggage rack and the passenger backrest are both quick release. .107 Milwaukee 8 engine, rider floorboards, engine guards. It's a taller windshield, kicks the air up over your head, is really nice, and this bike also has ABS. Heel toe shifter. This bike is ready to go. We run off of a fob, so we are keyless. Miles are 14,105. We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open 6 days a week.